Hello students, so today more on matrix. So what we have to learn is transpose of matrix, right? So what is transpose of a matrix? Let's understand it by taking a simple example of a matrix. Suppose we have a matrix A having the elements are like this. So now we have to find the transpose of this matrix. Transpose of the matrix A is denoted by dash. So it is a matrix A and it is called the transpose of matrix A. So transpose of a matrix A find out by the interchanging of the rows with the column. So this one is the row of A, it will become column for A dash 2, 3, minus 2, and here this one is the row and it work as a column for A dash. So what is the order of this matrix is, how many rows are there? 2, and how many columns are here? 3. How many rows are there? 3, and how many columns are there? 2. So in this way, by interchanging row with the columns, we will get the transpose of a matrix, right? So here some are the properties which we have to learn. Properties of transpose of matrix. First, if we have a matrix A and we have find the transpose, again we have the transpose of the transpose, we will get the simple matrix. Second one is or we can write it like this also, right? Second one is A plus B, a matrix which we have to find the transpose. Before adding or after adding, we will get the same values over there. With this property, hold with the multiplication also. Sub B dash A dash. So these are the some properties of the transpose of matrix. Now we have some special types of matrices over here. First one is symmetric matrix. If A dash is equal to A, then the matrix is called symmetric matrix. Second one is skew symmetric matrix. If A dash is equal to minus A, then this type of matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. Let's take an example to clear the concept. Suppose we have a matrix 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 0. Now what we have to find? We have to find A dash. What I'll get over here? We have to convert row in the column and this row. So here you can see that if we transpose of the transpose, this is the row, it will become column. This is the row, it will become column. This is the row, it will become column. What will get over here? A. So this is the first property which we have talked earlier. So now we have to prove all the properties step by step with the help of examples. So first property holds and says if the transpose of the transpose matrix, we will get the original matrix. Yes, everyone got it? And what is the second property of the transpose is? The second property says that if you multiply a scalar with a matrix and then transpose, or otherwise if you transpose first then multiply it, the values will be same. So how it could be done? Let k is equal to 2, you can choose any value, and 2, 3, 4, 0, -1 and -2. So first of all we have to take the left hand side which says ka, then dash. So on multiplying 2, we will get 2, 2 3s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 0, -2 and -4. Now what we have to do? The transpose of this matrix. This is the row, make it as a column. This is the row, make it as a column. So what will get? Left hand side. Now we have to process the right hand side or check it out, the value will be same or not. See, right hand side says ka dash. So first we multiply, we find out the a dash. That means in place of k we have 2 and a dash will be, this one is a row, make it as a column, this one is a row, make it as a column. Now we have to multiply with 2 each and every element. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 0s are 0, -2 and -4. You can check the values of the left hand side and the right hand side are equal, so the property holds. Yes, everyone got it? So go for the next property. What it says to you? Third property says that first we add the matrices, then transpose is equal to the, first we transpose the matrix and add, then we will get the same value. So let's take an example. Let A is equal to 2 3 0, 1 -2 -1. For the addition of the matrix we have to take the same order of the two matrix. So what is the order of this? 2 by 3. So we have to take the same order of the B as 1 -2, 1 0, 3 and 2. So 2 rows and 3 column. So you can check it out, the order of the two matrices are same. So what we have to do for the left hand side? First of all add the two matrices, then transpose. So on adding it, what will get? We will get 2 plus 1 3, 3 minus 2 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 0 0, -2 plus 3 will get 1 and -2 plus 2 will get 1. Now we have to do the transpose of this. What will get? Row will become column and this row will become again column. And what we have to do for the right hand side? First of all we have to find A dash and B dash, then we have to add. So this one is the row, will become column. 1 -2 1, 1 -2 and 1 plus, in the same way 1 -2 1 will become column. 0 3 and 2, 0 3 and 2. Now we have to add 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 0 1, 3 minus 2 1, -2 plus 3 1, 0 plus 1 1, -2 plus 1 1. So here what we have changed? 3 1 1, here we get 0. So on adding 1 plus 0 we'll get 1. A little mistake over here, so you can check it out. Left hand side value is equal to right hand side value, and this property also hold. We can check it out with the help of an example, right? So what the next property says? So with the same property we have to do it with the multiplication. Fourth property says to us, multiply, then take the transpose will equal to B dash is equal to A dash. So let's take an example of this. For multiplication, we know that the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So let's take an example. 1, 2, minus 3 and 0. So what is the order of matrices? 2 by 2. So we have to find out the number of rows should be equal. So 2 by 2. Now we have to check it out left hand side. First we have to multiply, then transpose. So what is the procedure of multiplication? 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 and 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1. Again minus 3 into 2 plus 0 into 1 and minus 3 into 3 plus 0 into minus 1. Check it out what I'll get over here. 2 ones are 2 plus 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6 plus 0. It will become 3 minus 2 minus 9 plus 0. So what I'll get over here? 4 minus 6, 1 and minus 9. Now we have to transpose the matrices first, then we have to add. So what is B dash and A dash? So B dash is 2, 3, interchanging the rows and with the columns, and 1 minus 1, and A dash is equal to 1, 2, minus 3 and 0. Let's do the multiplication. Row with the column, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 and 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into 0. Second row, first column, that means 3 into 1 plus minus 1 into 2 and 2 into and 3 into minus 3 minus 1 into 0. So what I'll get over here? 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. 2 2 4. We didn't do the dash of it. So we have to do the dash of it. We'll get 4, 1, minus 6 and minus 9. Right? So we'll get the same values over here. 3 ones are 3. 2 we'll get 1. 6 minus 6, 3 threes are 9 and minus 9. So here you can check it out. The value of the left hand side is equal to value of the right hand side. That means this property holds with the help of the example. Now we have to take the another type of matrix is called symmetric matrix. We have to understand this matrix with the help of an example. See. Symmetric matrix, that means A dash is equal to A. So for example, let's take a matrix A having the values as root 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1.5, minus 1, minus 1 and 1. Now let's check it out the A dash of this. So this will become row, will become column, and 2, 1.5, minus 1 and 3 minus 1 and 1. So you can check the each value is equal. So A dash is equal to A. So the given matrix is called symmetric matrix. Got it everyone? It says A dash is equal to minus A. For example, we have taken a value A having the elements as 0, E, F, minus E, minus F, and again here we can say 0, minus G, and we can take again 0. So now what we have to find out A dash. This one is a row, will become column 0, E, F, minus E, 0 and G, minus F, minus G and 0. Okay, now let's take minus as a common, minus 1. So it will become positive, it will become positive, it will become negative, 0 remains same as it is, negative will again positive, it will negative, negative and 0. So what it is? It is a value of A. So yes, A dash is equal to minus A. That means the given matrix is skew symmetric matrix. These are the some special types of matrix which you have to know. Thank you.